Okay, so my video cut off. So what I was saying was I ended with rising water temperatures and ocean acidification linked to rising carbon dioxide levels. High water temperatures can cause corals to lose the microscopic algae and produce the food corals needed. This condition is known as coral bleaching, and that was talked about in our last chapter as well. And my last slide, I focused on the interaction, and the coral reef ecosystem is a diverse collection of species that interact with each other in the physical environment. As we seen on the website that we were supposed to look at this week, there's many different organisms that are included into many different food chains. The sun is the initial source of energy for the ecosystem, and throughout photosynthesis, plankton, algae, and other plants convert light energy into chemical energy as animals eat plants or other animals. A portion of this energy is passed on and the energy is recycled. Due to the lack of nutrients in the coral reefs, many of the animals in this ecosystem cannot survive without the codependency of one another through a process called symbiosis. So that was my video on the coral reef food chain. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Sorry it split up. I don't know why it did that. It said I couldn't go past 15 minutes. So yeah, thank you for watching.